Do you dream of becoming a consistent and profitable trader? Now, it's not just a fantasy, it is achievable. And in this video, I will reveal the core principles that can turn this dream into a reality. Now, these aren't just theories, they are proven strategies that have transformed hundreds of lives, including mine. And today, I'm going to share with you 2 core areas and 6 key principles that you must adopt if you want to become consistent and profitable in your endeavors. Now, I'm not here to bash you or tell you why you won't be successful, because I know firsthand how frustrating it can be. However, with over 13 years of trading experience and having worked with more than 5,000 traders, I have seen firsthand what it takes to become successful. You see, success leaves clues. Peter Drucker said, efficiency is doing things right. Effectiveness is doing the right things. Success leaves clues on what effective strategies are. You see, there is a massive difference between efficiency and effectiveness. Understanding the difference between efficiency and effectiveness is crucial for your success. Now, efficiency is about doing things in the most optimal way, so it focuses on the process. Effectiveness is about achieving the desired outcome or goal. Now, the synergy between efficiency and effective is both important for success, but they are not the same thing. You see, being efficient without being effective can mean doing the wrong things well, while being effective without efficiency can mean achieving the right goals, but with unnecessary effort or waste. So for you as an entrepreneur, not just a trader, for you as a business owner, not just a trader, what does this really mean for you? But if you continue doing what the majority of traders are doing, then you're going to continue to get the same results. But if you start applying the principles of effectiveness and efficiency in your daily life, you will stand out from the crowd. And this approach can elevate you into the top 1% of achievers. So the first area we're going to talk about today is personal development. To achieve efficiency in your personal growth, you're going to need to be prepared to sacrifice time. Now, Benjamin Franklin said, lost time is never found again. Now, I know some of you might have families, jobs, and other responsibilities. But if you are not allocating time effectively for learning, practicing, reviewing your strategies, and identifying the most efficient ways to learn, then you're going to always seek far from alternative ways to make the most out of the distracted time you have to get results. So to be effective, you must be prepared to set clear, defined goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Now, Seneca said, the person who does not know where he wants to go, there is no favorable wind. So if you do not have a clear destination or purpose, you will not be able to take advantage of opportunities that come your way. Now, a sailor without a set course cannot make use of the wind, and a person without goals cannot make use of favorable conditions in life. Now, clear goals provide direction, making it possible to utilize favorable conditions to achieve success and fulfillment. Your personal development is about being deliberate with your time and setting clear path for your growth. Only then, with a strong foundation in personal development, can you effectively move on to the next crucial area, which is your trading development. Now, your efficiency in developing a streamlined process requires you to refine your trading routine to eliminate unnecessary steps and really improve your execution speed. Now, if you are maximizing your potential by managing your risk and avoiding over leveraging, you can ensure that you're getting the maximum return for the risk that you're taking. However, your effectiveness in this matter requires you to focus only on a trading strategy that has a proven track record of success. So you need to spend time testing and validating these strategies through back testing or forward testing before applying them in the live markets. You got to take time out daily to review your trades, maintaining a detailed journal, ensuring you're dedicating regular and consistent time to identify what works and what doesn't. Because remember, success leaves clues. So you got to look at both your winning trades and your losing trades. Understand why they worked and why they didn't, and then you can apply these lessons to your future endeavors. Now, Napoleon Hill said, every adversity, every failure, every heartache carries with it the seed of an equal greater benefit. Now remember, failures and setbacks often contain valuable lessons that can lead to greater success in the future. Both success and failure are part of the journey. Understanding why something worked or didn't is going to help you continue with greater wisdom. And failure provides valuable lessons, right? Each unsuccessful attempt teaches you what doesn't work, guiding you towards what does. So with these insights into personal development, let's move on to our final area, integration of concepts. Now, here I want to discuss how to balance and apply these principles of efficiency and effectiveness to achieve lasting success in both your personal growth and your training development. Now, this may seem challenging, but it's entirely possible, because to truly achieve the freedom and wealth that you desire, it's crucial that you balance these concepts. You want to constantly aim to balance efficiency, which is doing things right, with effectiveness, with doing the right things in both your personal and trading development. Now, Eleanor Roosevelt said, "You gain strength, courage, and confidence by every experience in which you really stop to look fear in the face and say, I've lived through this horror, I can take the next thing that comes along." Now, there is no substitute for hard work. Efficient processes and effective strategies will lead you to better overall performance, but it doesn't end there. You must continually operate within your own personal feedback loop. Now, your success is dependent on implementing a feedback loop where you are regularly assessing your personal development and your trading results. Now, this is absolutely essential and it cannot be overlooked. These assessments will allow you to refine your strategies and your processes continually. And don't be scared to be flexible and adjust, right? The markets are constantly changing. You will be constantly growing and pushing yourself to new heights. So flexibility is crucial in both your personal development and in your trading. So don't be scared to be flexible and just adjust as needed. If you're prepared to apply the principles of efficiency and effectiveness, you can bridge the distance between where you are now and where you want to be, one step at a time. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. But first, you must learn from success and optimize your personal growth and trading practices. You must set clear goals, use efficient learning methods, focus on impactful skills, streamline your trading process, and select effective strategies. You have the power to enhance your performance and bridge that gap between where you are now and where you want to be. So by applying these principles, you can move closer to fulfilling every goal and dream that you aspire to. So believe in yourself and trust the process. You can achieve this, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. I've achieved it, and I have no doubt that you can too. As I always say, continue to trust the process.